The miracle of praying subuh on time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Good morning, friends. First of all, let's thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, which has given blessing to us every single day. Our salawat and salam are always delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which has brought us from the darkness to the brighter path. Today, I would like to share a story about the miracle of subuh praying on time. Once upon a time, there lived a man named Insan Mulia. This man came from Indonesia and he worked in Saudi Arabia as a driver. He used to live in a rented house for years. One day, after doing the subuh prayer and making the dua in a MAOS, an old man came to him and greeted him. The old man was a Saudi Arabian. Since that morning, they began to talk to each other every single morning. After knowing each other for a while, the old man wanted to give one of his luxurious houses to this young man. Alman was extremely surprised. However, he at first thought that he could accept it. So, instead of accepting the house, he tried to make a deal which restored the house. On the day of appointment, Alman and the old man went to the house. As Alman saw that the house was much bigger than he thought, Alman politely refused to rent it. However, still, the old man insisted Alman accept the house. Finally, Alman came up to the idea that he would rent the house as much as he could pay. The old man agreed then. That story. Now, are you wondering why this old man wanted to give his house to Alman? Actually, the old man had been paying attention to Alman's habit of the subuh prayer for quite a long while. He noticed Alman always came to the MAOS even before the adhan. Therefore, he wanted to give his house as a gift because he liked Alman's good habit. Subuh prayer is the first prayer that we do on a day. It means if we do it on time, we will also start the day early on. If we start the day early on, it's more likely that we will achieve the great success sooner. Besides, in Surah Al-Isra, verse 78, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala said, "Observe the prayer from the decline of the sun until the darkness of the night, and the dawn prayer. For certainly the dawn prayer is witnessed by angels." As we can see from the verse above, subuh prayer is the one that is witnessed by angels. Therefore, we must do it in the best way we can, starting by doing it on time. I think that all for today. Thank you for your nice attention. Akhirul kalam, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wallahul muwafiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wallahu alam bisawab. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.